Would you come join? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adriana, also known as Snuggles, and as you can see, I am the other mother. This is a pretty simple video. My eyes are falling off. Anyways, let's go see how I got this look. Okay, so with a primed face, I am using a light foundation that I am blending onto my face, about half of my face, and the AC would turn on as I am recording. Why does this always happen to me? I end up grabbing my black body paint, and as you guys can see in the reference photo that I have from Pinterest, that I am using to where I can outline exactly how and where I'm transforming myself into the other mother. I also do a basically cracked face because there is a scene in part where the other mother her good face is cracking because her natural form is coming out. Yes, I know on the lips part with the other mother, her mole is on the other side, but again, the camera is facing the other way, so once I put a selfie mode, it is on the other side. Changed into a black top to get into character, and for the eyes, I didn't want to paint onto my eyelids, but I also was afraid of getting body paint into my eyes, so I just ended up painting some buttons black, and voila. I really can't see, but it's like you guys get the final touch, and now I'm gonna go on TikTok and see exactly how I can do this. I sadly was not able to make any TikToks with the other mother, but you guys will see them with my other makeup, obviously. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Tell me down below if you guys think I killed it or I killed it, like you did a horrible job.